practice areas, the understanding of risks, the common net house of management. The measurements of risk and even to definition of risk differ in different practice areas. The section provides links to more detailed articles on these areas. Business risks arise from uncertainty about the profit of a commercial business due to unwind event should a change in tastes, change in preferences of consumer, strikes, increased competition, change in government policy, obsolescence, etc. Business risks are controlled using techniques of risk management. In many cases, they may be managed by institutive steps to prevent or mitigate risks by following regulation or standard of good practice, or by insurance, enterprise, risk management, include the house and process used by organizations to manage risks and seize opportunities related to the achievement of their objective. See also financial risk management, corporate finance. Economic risk. Economics is concerned with the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Economic risks arise from uncertainty about economic outcomes. For example, economic risk might be in the sense that macroeconomic conditions, like exchange rates, government regulation, or political stability will affect an investment or a company prospect. In economics, as in finance, risk is often defined as quantifiable uncertainty about gains and loss. Environmental risks. Environmental risks arise from environmental hazards or environmental issues. In the environmental context, risk is defined as the sense of harmful effects to human health or to ecological system. Environmental risk assessment aims to assess the effects of stressor of chemicals on the local environment. Financial risks. Finance is concerned with money management and acquiring funds. Financial risks arise from uncertainty about financial returns. It includes market risks, credit risks, liquidity risks, and operational risks. In finance, risk is the possibility that the actual return on an investment will be different from its expected return. This includes not only downside risks or returns below expectation, including the possibility of losing some or all of the original investment, but also upside risks or returns that exceed expectation. In clinic definition, risk is often defined as quantifiable uncertainty about gains and losses. The contrasts with clinic heightened uncertainty, which cannot be quantified. Financial risk modeling determines the aggregate risk in a financial portfolio. Modern portfolio theory measures risk using the variance or standard deviation of asset price. More recent risk measures include value at risk because investors are generally risk averse. Investment with greater inherent risk must promise higher expected returns. Financial risk management uses financial instruments to manage exposure to risks. It includes the use of a hedge to offset risk by adopting a position in an opposing market or investment. In financial audit, audit risk refers to the potential that an audit report may fail to detect material misstatement, either due to error or found. Health risks. Health risks arise from disease and other biological hazards. Epidemiology is the study and analysis of the distribution, pattern and determinants of health and disease. It is a cornerstone of public health and shapes policy decisions by identifying risk factors for disease and target for preventative health care. In the context of public health, risk assessment in the